right, so we're here at the Standard Chlorine Superfund Site, 25-acre cleanup site that's here in Newcastle County, Delaware. And you're the RPM, here with us at Region 3 EPA. What's going on here?
So we're standing in front of our groundwater treatment system, and what we're doing is we're extracting groundwater from a shallow aquifer inside of a containment barrier that we have around about 35 acres of the site. And we're pulling groundwater at a rate of about 45 gallons a minute. The groundwater is heavily contaminated with chlorobenzenes. Those are one of the main contaminants of concern at the site. And essentially through several different treatment media, we remove the contamination from the groundwater and then discharge it to the wetland. It was the manufacturer of industrial chemicals, and here it was specifically chlorobenzenes. And through just incidental spills on the site and catastrophic spills, like hundreds of thousands of gallons of chemicals that penetrated the soil, that flowed out into the wetland. That's what we're cleaning up.
We've been cleaning it up with the state. We're going to continue to clean it up, and in the meantime, we're going to be working to generate some renewable energy through solar panels on this 25-acre site. So again, thanks for everything you're doing, and thanks everybody for checking in with us today.